Have you ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? In this video, we'll explore high-interest savings accounts. They're one of the easiest passive income streams for beginners. First, let's understand what a high-interest savings account is. It's a type of bank account that earns you more interest than a regular account. The higher interest rate means your savings grow faster. So how does it work? Step 1. Research. Compare different banks and their interest rates. Some banks offer promotional rates to attract new customers. Step 2. Open an account. Choose a bank that best fits your needs and follow their instructions to set up your account. Step 3. Deposit funds. Start by transferring some money into your high-interest savings account. Step 4. Watch your money grow. Each month you'll see the interest earned added to your account balance. Now let's look at an example. Imagine you deposit $1,000 in a high-interest savings account with an annual rate of 4%. After a year, you'll have earned $40 just by leaving your money in the account. This illustrates how easy it is to start earning passive income without much effort. To summarize, start with research. Open an account, make a deposit, and watch your savings grow. Ready to take the next step? Start exploring high-interest savings accounts today and begin your journey towards effortless income.